Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open a Hyundai Elantra door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, like a plastic trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by carefully locating and prying off any small plastic covers that hide screws. These are often found near the door handle or in the armrest area. Once exposed, use your screwdriver to remove these initial fasteners. Next, focus on the trim pieces. Start by gently prying off the small triangular mirror cover, often called the sail panel, at the top inner corner of the door. Then, use your trim removal tool to carefully lift the window switch panel. Once it's loose, disconnect all the electrical connectors by pressing their release tabs and pulling them straight out. Before detaching the main panel, double-check for any additional screws that might have been hidden under the trim you just removed. Now, using your plastic pry tool, begin releasing the clips that hold the main door panel to the door frame. Start at the bottom edge and work your way around the sides, gently but firmly pulling the panel away to pop the clips free. With all clips released, lift the entire door panel upwards to clear it from the window channel. You'll then need to disconnect the door handle cable and any other remaining electrical wires. Once everything is detached, set the panel aside safely. To reassemble, simply reverse these steps, making sure all clips align and snap into place and all screws are securely fastened.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.